Grabbed.
It's all good.
Yeah, I got a whole bunch.
So this is the Takamini. It's actually very well balanced.
It is. I was very surprised at it.
Once it's on, it's more balanced than the Explorer that I have. But Explorers, even though they're funky looking, they're pretty comfortable guitar to play, in my opinion. Right here. No, here the Guitar Center did the same thing.
I'm looking at it one that says input.
So we're also sampling this little Black Star head here, which is a Black Star BT1, I think. HT1. Black Star HT1. It's got two, the EL82 and EL83, I think. And this is the Alvarez. That's without the fuzz turned on.
Really?
Oh, that's with it.
Oh, okay.
That's without it.
Wow, that sounds good. That sounds awesome.
Up, put the gain down. It cleans up well just turning the volume on the guitar down.
That's cool.
It plays very well.
Doesn't it?
That's with no over. That's without hitting the little drive circuit. That sounds good.
It sounds awesome. That amp, I can't believe how good that amp sounds too. That's crazy. Set at, I mean, lowered the height because it was the strings are very loose. Those are 10s on there, by the way.
Yeah, that's really loose.
I know. Yeah. And they don't feel like 10s on that guitar at all, do they? crazy. Sounds really good, man.
I love it, dude. This is a great guitar, what a good save.
I know, yeah. I lemon oiled the neck one more time.
I can't see the fret markers real good in this light.
I know.
So,
I can turn this on.
is that better? Yes, it is a lot better. Yeah, I like this thing a lot.
I can't believe how good that sounds, man.
I would try the next
Yeah.
one. Is the next one's the T5 Infinium. You got it turned off? Yeah, I got it turned off. The guy who hooked this up in Guitar Center put the guitar line in the wrong thing and hooked up a speaker with the wrong ohms rating on it.
Did he really?
Not on this, but on that. And then I turned it on and tried it, and I'm like, this doesn't work at all. It's like garbage. It's not working. He's like, I don't know. And then he's like, oh, I'm going to go check to see if he's going to let me get a discount on it. And then after that, I figured out what was going on. And I'm like, dude, you totally have to ship the wrong stuff here.
That's funny.
So this is a Bugera, and it is a Infinium, T5 Infinium, Bugera. This has a 12 ATX7 preamp tube, and then an EL84, so it's kind of like more of a Marshall tube preamp. It also has digital reverb on it, and it reverb's way up right now. It does have a treble, a bass, a gain, a volume, and a fat switch, which is like their boost. This is 5 watts.
5 watts?
Breaks up a little bit. And that is kind of cranked, but that doesn't have my gain cranked. This is with the gain and the volume just cranked. The neck pickup. Good sustain.
I can't believe that's only 5 watts.
And then this is with their fast switch.
It sounds awesome.
I love this guitar.
Hey, it's crazy, isn't it? How's that fret that you were worried about? Check that fret that you were worried about.
If you're up here, it is catching when you're bending. If you're bending on the G string,
you can feel it. Yeah.
That one's buzzing a little bit, but it's actually still fretting.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And it's almost clear in the little. That's the one.
Yeah, there it is.
20th fret has got that little gouge, but if we take the 21st and 22nd down a little bit, it should be in good shape.
I have new frets. I don't know if they would work or not, but
if you have the right gauge.
I got a whole shit ton of them. I don't know what they.
What difference in tone on those two pickups? I would bring the bridge up a little more still.
Yeah. That one I lowered yesterday, just because if you hit it just right,
it's really hot.
The magnets are fucking nuclear on that one. It was like if you just hit it just right up here, the string got sucked down on it.
Yeah, it's really hot and very warm almost. It's so warm when it's turned on, it's a little muddy.
Yeah, that's crazy. You know, what's funny is I found the other one just like that. Another DiMarzio, the same one. I have it.
This one?
No, the one we put in the neck position. Yeah.
This is my favorite guitar on all your stuff.
Yeah.
awesome guitar. What a good fucking saying.
Who would have thought, you know?
Oh, dude, I kind of totally thought it when I first saw it.
Did you really?
Yeah. Well, as soon as I looked at the neck and I saw the joint was good on there, I'm like, man, I'll bet as soon as this string's up, it's going to be awesome.
It always was a good one.
It sounds big for such a little amp.
It does.
Now we got to put pickups in with coil tapping.
Yeah.
Very cool. I was anxious with. I do have a 412 Marshall cabinet I can plug into as well with that. But
I was gonna say, I thought I saw one upstairs at your house or something like
I
that.
got a stack up in my. Everybody's got a Marshall stack in their bedroom. Don't they?
Of course. Well, that videotape me.